The 6th of May is a special day for the Salesian congregation as it keeps the feast day of St. Dominic Savio, the patron of the youth. On this day, the community of Savio Juniorate, who keeps St. Dominic as its patron saint, solemnized this day in a most solemn and fitting manner by putting up a show entitled The Witness. It was attended by a large crowd of people, mainly the students. The guests for the day were Ba P.T. Saukumi, the MLA of Meghalaya constituency, and Ba Mphalang Siemle. Addressing the audience during the show, both the guests highlighted the rich qualities and talents that these young Savios possessed by managing to stage up a fabulous performance. Also, they highlighted the competence that these Savios have it, be it in the academics or other fields as well. Anything you want to do in life you must do, and it should always come from the heart, was the message that Ba P.T. Saukumi left for those young Savios and encouraged them to keep moving on in life and keep shining as a perfect example and models for the youth, just like St. Dominic Savio.
Taking control, giving command, tell you will have some fun, make my boys. They're nice boys. Couldn't go wrong.
Interacting with some of the audience just after the show, most of them congratulated the Savios and many had admired the wonderful performance put up by the Savios. Some have even expressed that it was the first time that they have seen boys dressing and acting like girls so exactly and perfectly.
Like, it was my first time seeing boys playing the role of a girl. Like, it was very perfect, and a boy playing a role of Mary. It's like, I appreciate it because it was very perfect. Like, we were confused whether it was a boy or a girl because they resembles too much.
When I first saw them, I thought they were girls, but they are actually girls. They are actually boys. They actually say that they are more beautiful than those secret heart girls students. They are more beautiful, but they are boys. So they have acted nicely, spectacularly. Only this. Thank you.
Like, we should love one another like Jesus loved us.
Just waiting, but you don't know what you're waiting for. You know in your soul that it's got to be more. Oh, nothing ever happens to me. Then Jesus came, and all our lives were changed. Set up to catch them and bring them in, to wake them up, shake them up, teach them truth, and when they fill with God, stand them up, and there will be fishes of men, fishes of men. Who says that you never have to feel Galilee? Ah, the sleepy little villages beside the sea. Comes a man of God to tell us what we're meant to be. He's loving us, healing us, setting us free. Oh, finally it's happened to me. He made us fishes of men, fishes of men. Stand up to catch them.
said, "Follow me." He was calling us to easy life, becoming.
I said my vows and dreamed of how we'd settle down. Of course I thought my husband ought to stick around. But now it seems that the man of my dreams is always out of town. Well, I guess I married a traveling man, but I've met Jesus, so I understand that when you find the truth, you'll follow him anywhere. When you find the truth, you'll follow him anywhere. I thought he'd come straight home from fishing every day, but sometimes the way of God is not a woman's way. My mother rolls her eyes and softly sighs for and wonders how I'll be able to smile each time he goes away. Well, I guess I married a traveling man, but I've met Jesus, so I understand that when you find the truth, you'll follow him anywhere. When you find the truth, you'll follow him anywhere.
While the horse was about to be terribly embraced, Jesus' mother, Mary, brought the servants to him and said to them, "Do whatever he tells you." Then she just walked away, confident that it solved the problem. Well, Jesus had the servants fill 6 stone water jars with water and draw some out of it, take it to the steamer. It had miraculously been turned to a very good wine. But he could have dreamt he could do that, except his mother. This woman, what an impact she had on my life. If you want to find favor with God, you can't find a better example than this lady. She knows the way.
I know what wonders have I done to move the ones from whom all blessings flow. Just these words, they're all I have to give. Just these
seen me has seen the Father. I am the light, I am the way, the truth, and the life. No one can come to the Father except through me. Is it any wonders the religious leaders came to hate him? He said, I am the light of the world. Whoever follows me shall not walk in darkness, but shall have the light of life. Whoever hears my words and puts his trust in him who sent me has lasting life. He will not be judged, but all be passed from death to life. And he talked about being born again. Unless a man is born again, he said, in your heart, let softly shine. Born again, you can be born through eternal day. Born again, you must be born again. Let the sun take your darkness away. For all their life and all their life of Jesus Christ, waiting when you've been born again. For all their life and all their life of Who is this who has life to give? Who is this just a gentleman? Not an ordinary man with some words of truth to say. As his moment innocence and one day fades away. Who is this who has life to give? Who is this just a gentleman? Not an ordinary man. Yes, I say that is the resurrection and the life, and it's all the same. It's you and me. Come to their light, even come to their light, even and let it pour its light on you. And let it pour its light on you. And let it pour its light on you. Come to their light, even Jesus their light, even and let it pour its light on you. And let it pour its light on you. And let it pour its light on you. Here was spoken good, or a teacher, or even a prophet. He saw that this man had life in himself. He could give it to anyone. What are they saying? Do they know the truth, or are they blind? Who am I? What do you call me? Tell me what is my name? You are the Christ, the Son of the living God. I say you are the Christ, the Son of the living God. You are the Christ.
that they shouldn't fight. They're nice boys. Oh, I can see them looking gorgeous, sitting there like kings. You could maybe furnish crowns, and how about some rings for my boys? Oh, I can see the new